Patrick crew. Welcome back. So we're going to jump right into this DIY. I went to the Dollar Tree and I found these Valentine's Day bags and they were 3 for $1. I also found these Furry Friends at Dollar Tree. They're also $1 each. They're really cute. Alright, so I went to the candy aisle and I found these milk chocolate kisses. They had 2 colors, the red and the pink. Of course, I grabbed the red, and they're also $1 each. Alright, so this is really simple. You want to open the bag up. Make sure you're really careful with these bags from Dollar Tree. They do sometimes tend to be thin, so be really careful. Next, you want to just drop that bag of kisses in the bottom of the bag. Of course, if you have more items, at this point you would put them in the bag. And then next, you want to just stuff the bear that you got in the top of the bag, and there you go. So this DIY is really simple. It's really easy. Of course, you can personalize this, add more things at the bottom of the bag, put a card in there. You can even purchase those small balloons that they sell at the Dollar Tree for $1 and tie it on the bag, add bows and ribbons, and really dress this up and make it jazzy. Each bag will run you for about $3 a bag, so this is really affordable. I do want to thank for watching, and if you remake this DIY, make sure you let us know down in the comments. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we release a new video. I do want to thank you guys for watching this again, and we'll see you next time. Bye!